how to reset a Motorola Video Baby monitor. Now this works on the Comfort75s, the Comfort85s, and you might want to do this for a couple reasons. If the camera stops connecting to the video monitor, or it seems to be not responding, or the video is choppy, anything like that can very often be fixed with this factory reset. The second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to set up all of the settings, maybe even pair it with a new monitor, you just want to get a fresh start like you're setting this camera up new, we can go ahead and do this. It's very easy to do. All we're going to do is we're going to come in on the back of the camera, we're going to turn the camera off, and then we're going to press and hold this pairing button right here. And press and hold this pairing button, and while holding it, we're going to go ahead and turn the camera back on. We're going to keep holding this pairing button until we hear the camera make a confirmation beep. This is indicating that the restart has begun. We can go ahead and release the button. You'll see that the little LED light indicator will turn red and then start to blink, indicating that the reset is in process and then complete. And then you can go ahead and set the camera up as new.